Hello, so in this video I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of the settings for the Post SMTP plugin. So using this plugin will give us an email log and we'll be able to basically track which emails are sent from the site. You'll find this useful for debugging your emails and making sure that they've actually been sent from the site when you're testing things. So in here on the landing page of the Post SMTP plugin, there's a section here we want to go to which is Show All Settings. And we want to set this up with SendGrid here, so come to SendGrid. And then here we want to enter our API key for SendGrid. So over here we've got this SendGrid account, and when you're logged into SendGrid you want to basically come down here to Settings and come down to API keys and basically just create an API key and give it a name. And then create. So this is going to give you a one-time key, so you need to basically store this key. Once you close this page it'll disappear, so just copy that and then add that in here and make sure that you've stored that key. And you may see a message here, the from address cannot be empty as well, so let's go back into the settings and add in our email address and just save those changes. So basically we can now test this. So if we come over here to this send test email, and you can send a test email to an email address. So let's just try this now. And it should give you a success message here. So if we go next, it'll give you a transcript of the message that was sent. But if we actually go into our inbox, we can confirm it was received. So basically you should see an email in your inbox from Postman SMTP test, and then you'll have your site address. And basically it'll be just a message with a little cartoon character here and some text. So you know that the message has been sent out. And if we go back into our site, you'll be able to access the email log here. So you'll see here there's the test message that was sent. So whenever emails are sent out from your site, you'll be able to come in here and access this email log, and you'll have a list of all the emails that were sent out from your site. And this will also make sure that any emails coming from your site are actually going through SendGrid, which will help with the deliverability of your emails.